So hello everyone, presenting you the Nirlon Tri-Ply Swatch pressure cooker. This is Tri-Ply stainless steel pressure cooker, and I have bought in a quantity of two in a huge discount from Flipkart, and huge discount from Flipkart. And the MRP, this both the 3 liters pressure cooker, but MRP is 3855, but I have got in 1199. So and now I am showing the quality. Here you can see that the pressure cooker after unboxing. This is pure stainless steel pressure cooker, 18 by 8 stainless steel, or grade 304 stainless steel, and it's a very quite heavy pressure cooker, and it's very good pressure cooker. And the gasket is nitrile gasket, not nitrile, sorry, this is silicone gasket. It will last more longer, and it is ISI marked. So there is no chances of any mishap, as because safety standard is maintained properly. And it's a very good pressure cooker you can buy. And if you want to follow my channel, then type in YouTube sustainable energy with pressure cookers, and then you can access my channel. And then if you like the content of the channel, you can subscribe it. Anyway, thank you all. Bye.